Hello students, good afternoon. Today we are going to proceed further with our second chapter. That one is formulas and functions in MS Excel. Last time, in last week only we have started this chapter. Last time in this chapter we have the first point we have seen is the formula. In formula there are 3 points. The formula has the 3 points. That one is how to enter a formula, copying a formula, and cell referencing. So in this point we have seen the first point, that how to enter a formula in MS Excel last time in Excel sheet practically. So last time while learning this we have seen that how to enter formula in MS Excel. Whenever we want to enter a formula, what we have to do, first we have to give a equal to sign. पहले क्या देना होता है, equal to sign. After giving a equal to sign, we can give formula in 3 ways in our MS Excel. First one is by using the cell reference. This one is the cell reference. Other way is by using the number or by using the actual content from the cell. And the third way is by using the function. So all these 3 types we have seen last year in 6th standard. Today in last lecture we have seen that how to enter a formula in MS Excel. So we have entered a formula in MS Excel by using the equal to sign, and we have calculated total marks of Amit by using a formula, that by using a formula using cell name. So we have used the cell name over here. That one is the total marks of Amit we have calculated for the as you can see here in B2 cell Amit got 34 marks. In C2 cell there are the marks of computer, that one is 54. In D2 cell there are the marks of history 57, and in E2 cell he has got the marks, that one is 45. Okay, so here we have calculated the marks, and after pressing the enter by using the cell name and using the operator, we have entered the formula over here, and after pressing enter we have got here marks. So in this way we have entered a formula. This we have seen practically last week, and now we have done the revision of this. Now in this chapter we are going to proceed further with another point of formula. That one is copying a formula. In Excel, if you have typed a formula once, if you have written a formula once, we can copy the formula, and we can minimize our work by copying the formula. So how we can do that? Suppose here I want to calculate the marks of Jai. So how can I calculate the marks of Jai? Simply what you have to do, here your formula is placed for Amit. That one is the total marks of Amit are placed in this cell. What you have to do over here, just here your formula is there. What you have to do, just you have to click over here, and after clicking over here on a clipboard you get the option copy. कौन सा option मिलता है? Copy. So you can use the copy function from the clipboard, or you can use the shortcut key, that one is Ctrl+C for copying your formula. So my formula is placed in F2 cell. That one is the total marks of the student. Okay, so I am going to copy this cell because there is a formula placed. After copying a cell, here you can see that the cell type is changed. Okay, so this means that your formula is being copied. Just what you have to do, wherever you want to paste the formula, on that cell you have to click. Now I want to calculate the total marks of Jai, so I have clicked on the F2 cell, I have clicked on the F3 cell, and I am going to paste this formula over here. So here I have pasted my formula. Now here you can see that here I have given a equal to sign. When I copied the formula contains the same thing, just there is a minor change. After copying a formula, what this cell has taken is, this cell has taken the exact operators and the names of the cell, but the number of the cell is changed. Why the number of the cell is changed? Because हमने ये formula कहाँ पे पेस्ट किया है? ऑन द थर्ड सेल, ऑन द थर्ड सेल। ओके, थर्ड सेल पे हमने क्लिक किया है, तो मार्क्स किसके कैलकुलेट करना है हमें, जय के। तो ये क्या करेगा ना कि आपका जो भी सेल है, हमेशा जो सेल के नाम है जैसे बी सी डी ई ये सेम रखेगा, ऑपरेटर्स भी सेम रखेगा, बट कॉपिंग के बाद ना हम जिस भी सेल के ऊपर ये क्लिक कर रहे हैं, जैसे हमने थर्ड सेल के ऊपर क्लिक किया है, तो वो कौन सा लेगा, वो सिर्फ नंबरिंग चेंज करता जाएगा एट द टाइम ऑफ कॉपिंग। जैसे ये पहले 2 था यहाँ पे, तो हमें जय के कैलकुलेट करने थे टोटल मार्क्स, तो यहाँ पे क्या आ गया, 3 आ गया। सो आई एम प्रेसिंग हियर इंटर एंड आई गॉट माई टोटल 209. In the same way, if you want the total marks of Saurabh, Sania and Madhuri, what you can do? Go on a formula. Here also your formula is placed. Click over here. Click on copy. Just select the entire row, entire cells. सौरभ, सानिया और माधुरी तीनों की टोटल लिखना बाकी है, तो तीनों के सेल सिलेक्ट करो एंड click on paste. Okay, so here you get the total marks of all the students. Now if you want to cross check whether the marks of the students are correct or not, for that purpose we will use the calculator. So use the calculator over here. Click on the calculator. Here we can see I will calculate the marks of Madhuri. So here you can see 45 plus 43 plus 24 plus 77. Okay, so 1 is extra. I will again do the calculation. 45 plus 43 plus 24 plus 77. Okay, so just I have to calculate 445 plus 43 plus 24 plus 77. Okay, and click on equal to. So here you got the total 189. So this one is the exact total that is placed in the Excel sheet. So whenever you use any of the formula in Excel sheet, what your Excel sheet do, it gives you the correct result. It gives you the correct result. So it means that our Excel sheet is also used for doing calculations. Okay, so here we have finished our other point from formula. That one is copying a formula. In next lecture we will see the cell referencing. And if you are having any doubts related to computer subject, you make a list of it and you ask me your doubts on Tuesday when we will have a Zoom meeting. Okay, so and if you are having a computer or a laptop at home, please do practice these things at your home practically and perform it well. And if you are not having a system, you can watch this video 2 to 3 times, so you will get how we are doing practical. So thank you.